Hey guys, Steve Watch, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. This is to help a few of you guys that might be experiencing the same problem on a call that I just got. So I'm going to show you how to work the dynamic navigation in your vehicles. Now Toyota's pretty much put this same system on most of them. So I'm in a RAV4 that has it, but it could be on a Tacoma, on a Highlander. Just realize that it's going to be a very close system. Even if it doesn't look exactly the same, the way you'll operate it should be the same. All right, so here's what I'm going to show you here. So this is usually the home screen that you'll see. You might have a phone connected, you might have an audio player, whatever's in each one. It could look a little bit different, but this is the Toyota audio system. All right, I'm going to hit this button right here. It's going to actually bring up the full screen. All right, so the reason I want to do that is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to search here. All right, what you'll notice is you can save your home right here, and I'm going to go ahead and shut this door here, but you can save your home by hitting this. As soon as was your home not saved, you like to save it now, you can save it to your current location or your address. That'll save your home. All right, so I'm not going to do that because obviously somebody else will own this car. It's a brand new car. All right, so now here's the next thing that you do to start saving some points. All right, you'll notice your favorites here, it's empty, right? So hit your search button, right, and do 15, 25. This is where we're located at. All right, so this is and you'll see it'll pop up, right? So it shows this is the dealership's address. All right, and I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna hit save. All right, so I've just saved an address. All right, so now let's go back. Right, I'm gonna go back to a different one, right, and let's do another address. Most people will know this one. Let's just say it was 1600. All right, and then do. See if y'all can figure out where I'm going here. And you can hit search, and you can kind of see it'll show a lot of these different ones. So you can kind of see what you want to do, which, let's just do this one. 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, which is the address of the White House, right? So definitely that'll show up. So if you want to save it, there you go. So I don't know why it says apartments, but it just is. All right, so let's say that you want to do another one, come back and let's just pick another one. Now let's just say that we're looking for any address, right? And we're just going to hit 2, 3, 4, and we're going to hit search. All right, because you don't have to have the whole thing. It's going to try to find an address that's local, right? So this one's 9 miles away. I'm going to hit this and I'm going to hit save. All right, so you can keep saving these just like this. All right, save these points. All right, and you could always hit go while you're saving if you want to. All right, but now I'm just going to come back to map. All right, you're going to see my main map here, right? And then I'm going to hit my button here. So all of those are saved in there, right? So if I just hit favorites, boom. So now I can go. All right, now I want to go here, hit go, and I've hit my set, and it's going to find my route. And it's going to ask me where I'm going. I can hit OK, and it's going to start.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
Going
then
there.
The route guidance will start.
And I can cancel this back out. Do you want to delete the destination? Yes. Now you noticed another way that I was doing this here is I'm going to hit my on button here, go back to favorites, or search button, sorry. Go back to favorites, hit the same button. Hit go, right? It's been set, right? And now it says optimized route downloaded from the cloud. Now I can edit the route, right? And I can add a destination. So if I wanted to have, if I was doing the 1600 Pennsylvania, I wanted to add a destination here between here and there, I can add that, right? So boom, find another destination, do another search, do another favorite. I can do that, right? Or I'm going to go back to map here.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
And I'm going to go back here again, and I'm going to hit this button, and then I'm going to come in here to, now I could hit recents now, because now it shows in my recents, of course. But I'm going to hit my favorites again. I'm going to hit this. I'm going to hit go, and I want to show you one other thing that you can do. So maybe you know a little bit better than what, and it says optimized from the cloud. You see how it's looking for traffic. Different colors are for different traffics, right? But I can come back here and I can do 3 routes: quick, a short, and an alternate. And it's going to give me the color on where I'm heading, right? And then I can pick, well, I want to do the alternate route. Well, I'm going to go a different way. I want to do a quick route. I'm going to go a different way. Then you hit OK. Or you can hit, certain things that, if there was something that was to show up, you'd have that listed there. So hit the 3 routes, quick route, right? Boom, quick route, OK, boom. Now I'm going, right?
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
So
then the route
wherever you're heading and whyever you're heading there, it's gonna show you that. So then you could also do this and shut off the navigation where it's not talking to you. You can hit this route overview and you'll pop back in and you'll be able to see the overview of the route, right? You can zoom back out, hit OK, right? Pop back over here. You can do route type, right? Quick, short, alternate. You can change that. You can do a preference, right? And you can change. Do I want to avoid toll roads? Do I want to avoid restricted, avoid ferries, avoid border crossing, avoid freeways? So you can do all of that pretty easily as well. So it's a very easy thing to navigate. It's very easy to use. Sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming. Keep in mind your map buttons right here too. To some people, it can be a little overwhelming. I'm going to shut this one off here, delete the destination. Yes. And then I can come back. I can still keep looking. Press home, and wherever you set your home to, you can. Now, you've also see this destination assist. Now, on the ones that have the dynamic navigation with the integrated nav with destination assist, you can actually talk to a person. You can hit that button, and you'll have a person connect with you, and you can say, I'm looking for barbecue. I'm trying to find barbecue. And they'll find something. They'll send it to the head unit. It's a system that is free for a certain amount of time, depending on which car you're looking at. And then also it has a fee after that, but it's actually pretty cheap. I think it's $80 a year for that one, or $8 a month, like the other ones are. I believe that's the same for that one. You can also look at recent. You can look at emergency. When you come down here, you can do an address. If you want to do the exact address, you can start typing in stuff, right? Or you can do point of interest. Point of interest is really cool because come back here, your state, or in Tennessee, right? So, and then name. So if I want to type in a name and do like, down here there's a place called Witt's, which is a barbecue joint. It's lunchtime, right? So maybe I can find that. Now you can see it's looking for names, right? So I was looking for that. So I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to go by category. By category near here, dining, right? And I can see everything that's here, and I can sort by distance, by name. I can sort by all of that, right? So I can do this. I can try to find stuff up. Here, I'll hit sort by name. Boom, and now you can see there's S right there. There's different ones that you're looking at. But you can see there's a bunch of stuff that you can do if you can find it in here. Coffee houses, parking lots, other POIs, gas, groceries, things along those lines. I opened the door back up in case you're wondering why that noise was there. There was nobody around, so I just went around and opened it. But anyway, you're getting the idea here. I'm sure that you can run through here. You can find it near a city center, whatever you're looking for. You can do by phone number, right? You can come back over here. You can look for contacts. And if you have their address saved in your phone, which is why this is looking for select device, if you have your address in the phone, that's why you'll be able to see some of that pop up. All right. So anyway, just like I said, that's how you use that system. All right, guys. So hopefully that has helped you guys out to know a little bit more about using the dynamic navigation system in the new Toyotas. This, like I said, this is a RAV4, but it's really in most of your Toyotas that have the dynamic navigation system and that are obviously your newer ones. So hopefully I've showed you a little bit about how to use that. Definitely reach out to me here if you guys need any cars. Definitely happy to help you guys. So Steve Welch with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. You can always reach out to me at buyatoyotanashville@yahoo.com. That's my email address. buyatoyotanashville@yahoo.com. So walking up to go see a customer here. So I appreciate you guys, and definitely like, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything that you guys want to know on the new vehicles. Happy to help you guys. Steve Welch with Beaman Toyota. Take care.